Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to explain about what is non-homogeneous systems and consistency of non-homogeneous equations. Okay. So let's see what is non-homogeneous system. A system of m linear algebraic equations in n unknowns. The unknowns are x1, x1, x2, x3, and so on xn is a set of equations of the form a11x1 plus a12x2 plus and so on a1n xn is equals to b1, and similarly second equation a21x1 plus a22x2 plus and so on a2n xn is equals to b2, and so on am1x1 plus am2x2 plus and so on amn xn is equals to bn. So firstly, this system is linear equation. Why? Because the power of x1, x2 and xn of xn is 1. So this is linear equation, like 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. That is linear equation, right? So total this system is nothing but linear system. Now this system we can write as ax is equals to b. This form is nothing but matrix form. This above system can be written as ax is equals to b. What is a? A is nothing but coefficient matrix. Coefficients of unknowns. A is equals to a, right? Coefficient matrix of the system. A equal to a11, a12, and so on, a1. Second row, a21, a22, and so on, a2n. And so on, am1, am2, and so on, amn. X is nothing but unknown matrix, column matrix, x1, x2, and so on, xn. This b is nothing but constant. So this is also column matrix, b1, b2, and so on, bn. Right? So A is quotient matrix of the system, B is nothing but constants, X is nothing but solution like that. Now, so when we say this system is homogeneous or non-homogeneous, so first we see about non-homogeneous. If at least one constant, what are the constants? B1, B2, and so on, Bn. If at least one constant is non-zero, then this system is nothing but non-homogeneous system. Okay, the definition is non-homogeneous system. When all bi are not zero, that is at least one bi is non-zero, then it is non-homogeneous system. So next, homogeneous system. If all constants are zeros, that means b1 equals to 0, b2 equals to 0, and so on, bm is equals to 0, then the system is homogeneous system. Is it clear? If at least one constant is non-zero, then the system is non-homogeneous system. If all constants are zeros, then it is homogeneous system. Next, we see two notes. Note 1. The matrix AB is called the augmented matrix of the system. This A is nothing but quotient matrix, and next to write matrix P or constants. Note 2. A system of equations is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution or simply solution exists. So system of equations. This is nothing but total. This is system of equations. So when we say this system is consistent, if at least one solution exists, then the system is consistent. If solution does not exist, then it is inconsistent. So now we are going to check about. We are going to test about whether the system is consistent, whether when non-homogeneous system is consistent, when it is inconsistent. That means So for non-homogeneous system, these are the conditions. Let Ax equals to B, be a system of non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay. So rank of A is equals to rank of AB. That means rank of quotient matrix is equals to rank of augmented matrix. That is equals to number of unknowns. Then the system has unique solution. This number of unknowns is x1, x2, x3. They are unknowns. Second condition, if rank of A is equals to rank of AB is less than number of unknowns, then the system has infinite number of solutions. To find this infinite number of solutions, we assign arbitrary values to n minus r variables. Here n is number of unknowns, r is nothing but rank of A or rank of AB. Third condition is if rank of A is not equals to rank of AB, then the system is inconsistent or the system has no solution. So first condition is rank of A is equals to rank of AB equals to number of unknowns. N is nothing but number of unknowns. Then the system has unique solution. Second condition, if rank of A is equals to rank of AB is less than number of unknowns, then the system has infinite number of solutions. Okay. Third condition is rank of A is not equals to rank of AB, then the system is inconsistent. That means no solution does not exist. So how to find this rank of A and rank of AB? By using echelon form. Okay. First we write augmented matrix table and we convert into echelon form. From that we can calculate rank of A and rank of AB. You see one example. Solve 2x minus 2y plus 4z plus 3w is equals to 9. X minus y plus 2z plus 2w is equals to 6. 2x minus 2y plus z plus 2w is equals to 3. And x minus y plus w is equals to 2. So what about this system? First, in examination, first you have to observe whether the given system is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. So what about the constants? Constants are non-zeros. That means what about this system? This system is non-homogeneous system. The given system of solution, the given system of non-homogeneous linear equations is in the form Ax is equals to B. This is our system. We can write as what is A? A is nothing but quotient matrix. What are the quotients of unknowns? Quotient of x is 2. 2 I am writing. Right? Quotient of y is minus 2. Quotient of z is 4. And this is 3. Okay. And similarly, 1 minus 1, 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0, 1. So up to this is nothing but quotient matrix. Next I am adding matrix B. Matrix B means constant. 9, 6, 9, 6, 3, 2. Right? Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate rank of A and rank of A. For that, I am converting into echelon form this matrix. Right? So first make, you already know echelon form. So first make these 3 element zeros. That is this 1, 2 and 1. How to make these 3 elements of zeros? By applying row operations. So R2 implies R2 minus so first interchange the rows R1 to R2 and R2 to R1. Apply elementary operations on augmented matrix and reduce into echelon form. So R1 to R2, R2 to R1. So augmented matrix AB equals to 1 minus 1, 2, 2, 6, 2 minus 2, 4, 3, 9, 2 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 0, 1. Now R2 implies R2 minus 2R1, R3 implies R3 minus 2R1, R4 implies R4 minus R1. Now this augmented matrix AB is like this. 1 minus 1, 2 2 6, 0 0, minus 1 minus 3, 0 0, minus 3 minus 2 minus 9, 0 0, minus 2 minus 1 minus 2, right? But here three zeros are there, so interchange the rows. So interchanging, why we are interchanging? In second row 3 zeros are there, and third and fourth rows are 2 zeros are there. So that's why I am interchanging R2 to R4, R4 to R2. Now this is 1 minus 1, 2 2 6, 0 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4, 0 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 0 0, 0, minus 1, minus, right? So second row we have 2 zeros are there, right? So now make this element 0. Third row for echelon form, third row minimum 2 zeros. Now apply R3 implies R3 minus 3 by 2 R2. From that, get this one. And next, third row 3 zeros means fourth row minimum 4 zeros. So make this element 0. So for that, apply these operations, and finally we get this matrix, right? By deleting the last column, we get echelon form of the quotient matrix, right? So how many non-zero rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 non-zeros are there. So what is rank of A? Rank of A is equal to 3. And how to find rank of AB? For rank of AB, you have to consider 4 matrix, right? So how many non-zero rows are there? 4 non-zero rows are there. So what is rank of AB? Rank of AB is 4. So is it clear? For rank of A, just delete the last column. So how many non-zero rows are there? 3 non-zero rows are there. So rank of A is equal to 3. For rank of AB, you consider 4 matrix. So we have 4 non-zero rows are there. Therefore, rank of AB is equal to 4. So therefore, rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. What we can say? This is inconsistent. Inconsistent system has no solution. And similarly, example 2, solve x minus y minus 2z equals to minus 2, 3x minus y plus z equals to 6, x minus 3y minus 4z equals to minus 2. So same thing, write augmented matrix and convert into echelon form. So final output is 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 0 0 7 12 0 0 2 2. So deleting the last column, rank of A is 3, right? You get the rank of quotient matrix. For rank of AB, you consider 4 matrix. We have 3 non-zero rows are there. So rank of AB is also 3. So therefore, the system has. And how many unknowns are there? 3 unknowns are there. Y and Z. So number of unknowns are 3. So rank of A is equals to rank of AB is equals to N. This N value is nothing but 3. So if rank of A is equals to rank of AB is equals to N, then the system is consistent and it has unique solution. Just to find out the solution. How to find out the solution is how to write 1 into x minus 1 into y minus 2 into z. So that is x minus y minus 2z. This is equals to minus constant. And 2y plus 7z equals to 2. Finally 2z equals to 2. So this is like x equals to 5 by 2, y is equals